Sunday is not mine. Sunday midnight. So I'm appealing to the community out there who are seeking services to Mombasa County to seek them somewhere else, probably in private sector or other counties.
How can you treat a patient and mentally you are not healthy? Physically you're not healthy. Socially you're not healthy. How do you do that? Tintakuwa instead, because I'll give you the wrong medicine. I am not motivated. I'll give you the wrong medicine. You treat me, I treat you. Give me my rights, I treat you.
Whatever he thinks he can do, let him do it now. Asichelewe zaidi. We are ready for everything and we are not fighting him. He should know it very clearly. We are not fighting him. It is our right to be paid the salaries and the remittances.
Tokata bang tend jothieth go Ramogi Governor ma Mombasa mar temo rakore gi midhiero ni gikoni onge lokruok mora mora magiseneno.
By virtue of us calling a strike notice, it's not by accident or anything. We have exhausted.
Suffering.
Which is late by a few days. I need to save people's lives. We need to do whatever needs to be done, and I've given the Coast General Hospital that mandate that needs to be sorted out.
Let the governor know that even if it's to pay 1 month's salary, Melishangu Ananga, we are to get 2 months' salaries. Hata kileta mwezi moja, bado strike inaendelea. Remittances, hata kileta mwezi miwili, remittances hajalipa, bado strike inaendelea. He has to fulfill everything.
Oramo mo umoye pinyni chenro mora mora mar holo pesa minyalo chul go jothieth go nyaka to mana e yor ler kaluwore gi chik mantiere.
I have directed Dr. Kandwala to do what needs to be done. I will not subject the people of Mombasa to illegalities. For me to be able to take a loan without the county assembly, I'll be going against the PFM Act. For me to be able to take immediate loans right now is something that is out of.
George Aoko, Ramogi TV, Mombasa.
Ero kamano George Aoko kuom lipodno, kata kamano kapar ka en gima ber ka laktar de wach ni obiro chiwo ne jatuo yath ma ok ni kare ka ok ochule omenda. Nikech ang'eyo ni jotuo to kinde duto dhi e od thieth